So today I have a package that has arrived for me, and it's also arrived for you in a sense, because the more resources I have, the more I can share with you. So in this package I have Carl Jung's Black Books that have recently been released to the public. They are, I think, 7 of his private journals. So I just thought I'd make this video where I just kind of unboxing. This is YouTube. This is what we do. So Amazon sent me this, and I will say, look at this box. It's all broken up and stuff like that. So thank you, Amazon, for caring for my goods. These books cost about 300 Australian dollars, and there's affiliate links in the description for US Amazon and for Australian Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go there and buy some black books if you're going to get them anyway. Alright, so I've got a whole bunch of this paper here. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Oh, alright. So that box is dilapidated. Check this out. That's beautiful, isn't it? For some reason, I didn't expect it to be so big. Like, in the pictures, you think it's kind of going to be only like up to here, you know, like the smaller books. This is massive. Look at it. Like, that's my head. I've got a pretty fat head. You know, this is pretty big. So, wow. 7 books there. And this 7th one looks really big. See, the top here kind of ends here, and this 7th book spans the entire strip. So let's just open this up here. I'm not really delicate, you know. When I open up my presents for Christmas, I just rip it all up. So, unless I have someone who has extroverted feeling, they always want me to be nice and gentle with it. But it smells fresh, actually. It smells really good. Look at that. Beautiful texture too. You know, just the texture here on the actual spine of the book. You can tell that this is really high quality material. And I didn't realize, but on the back, you've got that there. And then on the side, it looks like this is kind of stuck on. Like, you can kind of see, you can see where they've kind of stuck it on there. There, and it looks like it's a tiny bit damaged here, but that's all right. You know, it's not that bad. It's not ideal, but you know what I mean. Amazon, what have you done to me? Wow. It's kind of like, so it's like super black. I didn't expect that. Like, there's the kind of embroidery over there. So that's nice. Super black. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wow. So when you open it up, you've got kind of, I should come around here actually. Yeah, okay, so it's kind of like, yeah, like a facsimile of his original kind of notes. Oh, wow. So that's his actual like writing. Okay, so that's going to be in German. So I'm not going to know what the hell he's talking about. But maybe I should learn German and I will know what he's saying. So that is in German. I assume. And some other inscriptions and stuff like that there. Alright, so that's the 7th book, but I'm guessing, yeah, so it's got black pages. So I'm guessing the black pages are, you know, his original. There's the black pages on this side. And then when we go over here to the white pages, it looks like then Sonu has actually, you know, translated them, which is interesting. Book 7. May 21, 1917 to December 15, 1932. And then, yes, so Sonu has translated these. And see, there's these inscriptions and different stuff like that there. So that will be an interesting read. Yeah, so number 1 just had white, so that would have just been all translation. Whereas number 2 we begin to have the black there, you can see that, and then the white. So this is then again is the original. Again, there's his original writing, and then at the back again you have the translation. So that's interesting. I like it. I like how they've done that. I wish I could read German, because then I would understand more about it. Oh, look at this, number 6. So I'm just going out of order because I don't care. Number 6 looks real thick with the black. And look at his handwriting. Interesting handwriting that Jung has. It's a real doctor's writing, isn't it? Like, even if you could read German, it would be hard to kind of understand. So there you have it, guys. Let's see. Just read a random bit of it. Did the primordial fire mock him? Sir, it mocked his garments. Tell me, why did Atman Victu become a man? Sir, it was unavoidable. He became sick from longing for man. His head hurt because he could not think what he did. Therefore, he became a man for the sake of healing. He remained in this state, and that was his error, since no one can become their own mantle. He realized this and died, and that he went into the forest and became a bear. That's interesting, actually, that I just randomly picked that out. Because when I first got into Jung, I had a dream that Carl Jung was a bear inside another beast. Now, I don't know really what that means, but it's like it was a bear that lived in this other kind of beast that wasn't really an animal. It was just what you would call a beast. And I had no idea what that dream meant. And then days later, I got a book that I purchased on Amazon, which was Modern Man in Search of a Soul. And I was reading through it, and it said that the Native Americans, or some type of tribe, said that Jung's spirit animal, or bush soul, or something like that, was a bear. And I thought that was really profound. And there was some other things related to the symbology of a bear, and maybe I'll make a future video on that. But that is really interesting right there. He realized this and died, in that he went into the forest and became a bear. And it's also interesting that there's some kind of research out there, at least I saw it on Wikipedia, that some of the most ancient cults are bear cults, where people practiced the worship of bears. And so maybe I'll release a video of that in the future. So guys, I thought I'd just quickly show you this little tip here, because it can be quite hard to get out these books from in this case, as I showed you earlier. But I just put a little bit of this nice little string type thing here, ribbon, sorry. And if you just put a ribbon around one of the books, you can easily just pull out that book, see, just like that. And once you've pulled out that book, you can easily push these around and get the other books. So that's my little tip there. I mean, it's a little bit obtrusive, but it's not that bad. Like, it looks pretty good. It's a nice ribbon with kind of these gold circles on it. I got to match what the book set looks like. But I think that's going to be a lot better than trying to just, always put your thumb in here or something like that. And you're going to kind of end up ruining the books. And, for a set that this expensive, I wouldn't really want to ruin the books. But stay tuned, guys. So I'm happy that I have these books now. I'll put them back in. There's no point in me really showing you any more until we've digested and read some of it. But that is what the black books look like. And, you know, it's pretty complex stuff sometimes, delving into Jung's, especially just Jung's personal stuff. So it might take me a while to kind of digest these, but maybe it would just be fun if I find something that I think is interesting. I can create a video about it and we can go through it together. So let me know what you guys think. And as I said, there's links in the description down below if you want to purchase them. And I appreciate if you do use my affiliate links. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And more videos are coming out soon.